Russian Revolution. Russian Revolution has great political, social, economic importance in the world history. This is the third chapter of class 9 history. We are going to discuss about the Russian Revolution, which was started by Vladimir Lenin. It was a revolution in against of monarchy, injustice, anarchy, aristocracy, feudalism, and misrule of the King Tsar Nicholas II. So here we are going to discuss the social condition composition of Russia that invited the people to stand in against of Jacobi and in against of Tsar Nicholas rule. Here we see in the Russian society there were different ideologies such as first liberals, second radicals, third conservatives. Liberals were those who did not believe in the concentration of power in one hand. Such revolutionaries were in against of monarchy. They believed in decentralization of power, but they did not believe in equal status for all. They did not support the adult franchise and rights for the women and poor also. The radicals were also revolutionaries who believed in fast reformations. The radicals supported the right to vote and right for the common people, universal suffrage, right for women also, and it was in against of monarchy, feudalism, aristocracy, and so on. And conservatives were those who did not like to see any change. Although they believed in slow change, because they were privileged, they were active citizens, they had more facilities in the society. Most of them were tied with matrimonial alliances. They had relation with the aristocrat and the king also. So we see that they wanted to continue the old social order and hierarchy, but they wanted to see slow change, because change was inevitable, because liberals and radicals wanted to see rapid change in the society, but conservatives wanted to see very slow, deadly slow development in the society, so that they would continue for long till the next generation. So we see that conservatives were aristocrats, nobles who enjoyed more power in the Russian society. Here we see the Russian society stood in against of Tsar Nicholas II. Tsar Nicholas II was the king of Russia who misused the resources of Russia. and we see that at last the Lenin came pioneer to lead the Bolshevik revolution. There were two groups of revolutionaries. First, Menshevik, and Bolshevik. Mensheviks were in minority. They believed in parliamentary system and election also. But Bolsheviks were in majority that believed in rapid change in the society. They did not believe in parliamentary system. So, and Bolsheviks were led by Vladimir Lenin. That's why when Lenin was made successful due to Bolshevik October Revolution, we see that Lenin introduced some principle that is known as April thesis. According to the April thesis, now land should be distributed among the real tillers. Now come to know what do you mean by April thesis. April thesis. It is also known as Lenin thesis. There were following circumstances. Land should be first. Land should be distributed among real tillers. Second, the resources should be nationalized. The resources should be nationalized. And third, third thesis of Lenin was the private properties should be declared public property. Should be declared public property. कितना मिनट हुआ?
No.
Public property. Thus we see that Lenin introduced these principles in Lhasa. He ruled efficiently till 1924. In 1924, he lost his life, but due to his immoral activity, he remained forever. Till now, His dead body has been preserved in Moscow, and the people of the world who go to Moscow visit her dead body, deceased body, and salute him.